Sweep tool in 3D modeling. If you go to modeling, here it is sweep tool, or if you go to the solid, you will get it sweep tool here. What is a sweep tool? If you have any object, that object you can make sweep through any path. I just go to the sweep tool and I select this object, enter and select the path, and now it is sweep through this object. Select here realistic or shaded edges. I just realix so you can see here it is like this. Any sketches you can sweep through the path. I go to the sweep and select this object, enter and select the path. It is sweep through this object. Here it is. This all both the size is same. Go to the sweep and select this object, enter. Here we have option scaling. I just make it scaling to, enter and select this path. Now you can see this size and this size both are different scale. Using scale factor also you can make sweep. If you go to the sweep and select the object, enter, here we have twist. I select twist, make the angle, I just make here 360, enter and select the path. Now you will get it like this twisted object. Like that, using various methods, you can sweep any objects through the path.